news this evening. A glimmer of hope for entertainment. Wholeness to make announcement for reopening of the sector in 2 weeks. Domestic Violence Act to be tabled this month. And probing. Children's agencies seek child in video glorifying gunmen.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's sports commentary, e-prime, and weather. But before the break, here is the feedback question. What are your views on Central Westmoreland MP George Wright returning to Parliament this afternoon before the expiration of his leave of absence? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet @televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.